Unveiling MediaTek's Dimensity 9500, the future of mobile chipsets. Get ready for a game-changer in the world of mobile technology. MediaTek is gearing up to launch its flagship chipset for 2025, and early leaks suggest that the Dimensity 9500 is going to be an absolute powerhouse. According to insights from Digital Chat Station, this chip will be manufactured using TSMC's cutting-edge N3P process, a step up from its predecessors, the Dimensity 9400 and 9400 Plus, which were built on the N3E node. What's more, the Dimensity 9500 will boast an all-large CPU core architecture, promising to deliver exceptional performance alongside a significantly upgraded neural processing unit, NPU. So, what can we expect from this beast? The Dimensity 9500 is rumored to feature a dynamic CPU configuration, 1x Travis core, 3x Alto cores, and 4x Gelas cores. While we're still piecing together the details about Alto, we do know that Travis and Gelas are the next generation Cortex-X and Cortex-A7XX cores from ARM, as highlighted in their roadmap. This means we're looking at some serious processing power. Now, let's talk about clock speeds. There are whispers that the Travis core could be clocked at over 4 GHz, which would be a significant leap forward in mobile processing capabilities. Additionally, the chipset will come equipped with a whopping 16 MB of L3 cache and 10 MB of system-level cache, ensuring lightning-fast data access. It will also support LPDDR5X RAM, capable of reaching speeds up to 10,667 megabits per second, and feature a 4-lane UFS 4.1 interface for rapid storage access. On the graphics front, the Dimensity 9500 will utilize the Immortalis-Drage GPU, which promises enhanced ray tracing capabilities while being more power efficient. This means gamers and content creators can expect stunning visuals without sacrificing battery life. But that's not all. The NPU 9.0 will supercharge AI processing, with expectations of delivering an impressive 100 tops, tera operations per second. While the Dimensity 9400's NPU performance is still under wraps, some reports suggest it hovers around 50 tops, making the leap to 100 tops for the 9500 a remarkable advancement. And here's a little teaser. Digital Chat Station has hinted that MediaTek will soon unveil the Dimensity 8450, while the highly anticipated Dimensity 9500 is likely to make its debut in October or November. Stay tuned, because the future of mobile processing is looking brighter than ever.